The Fulbright Foreign Student Program is one of the most respected and widely recognized scholarship programs in the world. Established by the US government, Fulbright was created with the powerful vision to promote mutual understanding between nations through education and cultural exchange. Each year, talented students from over 160 countries are selected to study, research, and grow at top universities across the US. Fulbright is more than a scholarship, it is a global network of thinkers, leaders, and changemakers. This program provides financial support covering tuition fees, living expenses, health insurance, and travel costs. But what truly sets Fulbright apart is its emphasis on exchange. Scholars share their cultures, ideas, and perspectives while learning from their diverse society. Fulbright scholars return home not only with advanced degrees but with broader worldviews, stronger leadership skills, and lifelong global connections. This scholarship is not just about studying abroad, it is about building bridges between cultures.